Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to convert a video from MOV format to MP4. I've got two videos here, and both have the MOV extension. But before we convert them to MP4, let's talk a little bit about video codecs. For example, these two videos are both MOVs, but they have different video codecs. Go ahead and press Command-I to open the Get Info window. Right here, under the codec section, you'll see the metadata. Both files actually share the same audio codec, which is MPEG-4 AAC. However, they differ in their image codec. One uses H.264, while the other one uses VP09. Usually, for MOV videos using the H.264 codec, you can simply rename the extension from .mov to .mp4, and you're done. That's because H.264 is the standard video codec for the MP4 format. Now, for videos with other codecs, you can use iMovie. This is a free app on macOS. If you accidentally deleted it, you can just download it again from the App Store. Once iMovie is open, go to the My Media section and click Import Media. Or you can go up to the File menu and choose Import Media. Select the video you want to convert, then hit Import Selected. Next, just drag that video down to your timeline. Finally, click the Share icon in the top corner and choose Export File. Or go to the File menu, select Share, and then File. Under Resolution, if your original video is 4K, go ahead and select 4K. Set quality to high. For Compress, choose Better Quality. Name your video file, hit Next, pick where to save it, and click Save. You can track the export progress right here in this area. Once it's done exporting, you'll have a standard .mp4 file. Just a heads up, iMovie can't always import every MOV file. It really depends on the codec. If you try to import a video with the VP09 codec, iMovie will give you an error. In that case, you need a different app. For example, VLC handles this really well. After installing and opening VLC, go to the File menu and select Convert and Stream. Click Open Media to select the video file you need to convert. Then, under the Choose Profile section, select H.264 plus MP3. Choose your destination in the Save As File section, name your file, and hit Save. Note that VLC might save it with a .m4v extension, but you can totally rename it back to .mp4 and it will still play perfectly.